On our last video, we unboxed this Instax Mini LiPlay by Fujifilm. Today, we're going to provide you our experience using this wonderful device. Hi, I'm Janica for techbeatph.com. If you want to see more of our videos, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Also, give us a thumbs up if you like this video and tell us what topic you want to see more from us. I first noticed in harap niya, it's really different from the other Instax because itong Instax na to, iba yung flash, yung shutter, texture, and they added a microphone for audio recording. Later on, I'll explain how it works. So, on the side, yung power button and shortcut buttons ng frames na gusto mo for your picture. It comes with 1, 2, 3. That's the set number of the frames. Nasa gilid din yung micro SD card para ma-transfer mo yung pictures mo from LiPlay. Sa likod, nandun na yung menu and OK button, replay button or back button, and ito yung playback button, print button. Those buttons will lead you into the settings of the camera. Andyan na din yung sa print whenever you want to print the picture or not. May option ka kasi if you click the button, may lalabas na print it or back. Ang satisfying lang niya, for me, pag mag-print ka ng picture kasi there's an animation sliding up palabas ng film slot, nasa taas din yung film door lock. Next, pag na-on na itong LiPlay, on ko na. Unang may kita yung frame, yung filter, timer, and yung flash. Tapos, play mo sa isa-isahin. So, yung sa frame, iisa-isahin mo pa siyang ilipat para makita yung frames. But then, as what I've said, sa may shortcut button naman, sa gilid, sa filter naman, of course, you can choose what filter do you want. When you print it, ayun na agad. Sa timer naman, meron siyang 2 second, 10 second, tapos may self-off timer. Next, yung sa flash. Yung sa flash, may auto flash, force flash, suppressed flash. Ito yung walang flash, basically. So, next, kung gusto mong mag-print ng picture from your phone, kailangan mo mag-download ng Instax Mini LiPlay. Ito siya, ito yung itsura niya. So, after ma-download yun, activate the Bluetooth. Ito, Bluetooth settings. Kailangan ko din na yan. Okay. Kailangan ko rin dito. Wait. So, punta tayo sa sinasabi ko kanina, yung audio recorder, paano siya maririnig pag na-print na. So, dito mo siya ipiprint. So, like this. Ito, may sound to. Yan. So, ilang seconds din yon. Tapos, pag na-print mo siya, may lalabas na QR code sa gilid ng picture. Then, iscan mo siya through this app para marinig yung sound. So, next, through the app, makikita mo din kung ilan pa yung films. Then, yung battery percentage. Nandun na din yung shortcut for the frames. Ito yun. Sinasabi kong shortcut for the frames. Yan. Tapos, ito yung remote shooting. Yung pwede ka na mag-take live. Yun na. We at techbeatph.com are giving the Instax Mini LiPlay by Fujifilm silver rating for its elegant design, functionality, and style.